Alright, so, 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 and every night. Is that good? For found load is crazy. Found load. Download. And now we just wanna have a Discord. So, get the Discord server invite. Oh my god. Alright, copy. And then do YouTube. Happy Father's Day. Ooh. I didn't know it was Father's Day. Gotta say that to my dad later. Okay. Control V, join for download. Pin message. Alright, chat. So, what should I add into this game? So, first of all, we have to fix this cosmetic as the mod vent. We have to fix that. Definitely we have to fix that. Let's also fix some bug glitches. We got spawn. We got zero gravity. And what do I have offline? We want to add that to spawn. And we will do, yeah, that's about it. Role player, close that. So we got shop. Why is that in only up map? That's the question. Oh my gosh, I almost got a heart attack right there. I don't know why, I just got it. Just put those down. Now I know these crates are absolutely trash, like actually so trash, but I'm too lazy to fix that right now, so yeah. We want to make place for the actual, we're gonna do, yeah, we'll do this. We'll do in this corner. Yeah, we'll do it in this corner. Bam. Add some more crates. And now we just want to move the crates that's on the entrance to here, maybe. Yeah, here seems good. And we also want to just move them a little bit around this crate. Right, that looks kind of good for the shop. Now we'll just do bam. And we'll place shop. There we go, we just placed it in shop. And now to fix the holdable and this cosmetic, we will need to go into assets, resources, photon VR. Oh, what the freak? This thing, and so I'm gonna do this, bam. And basically we just wanna do that. Bam. So now hopefully that wait, let's put it like here to where the glasses was. And we already have the iBlock cool script. So I guess we'll do the same for early access badge. Also, we need to fix the early access badge because apparently it was glitched. We'll just move it down a bit and hopefully that will work. And just to make sure, we'll add the cool, eye blocking cool, and put that to 9. Just to make sure, you know. And pixel glasses for that. Yeah, that should be it for now. Okay, there we go. Now we got the actual pixel glasses working. And now we actually want to fix this. So, oh yeah, change left cosmetic. Instead of that, we want to go to assets, scripts, and we'll do change body cosmetic. Oh my gosh, I guess. Oh my god. Skibidi toilet, change body cosmetic, and now on the green one, we want to paste. Wait, what did I name? We'll just do resources, Photon VR, player, pixel glasses. They were called pixel glasses. Control C. And then control. What? Oh yeah. Control V. Wait a minute. We need. Oh no. Wait, I need to code. Oh no. Alright, this could mess up the whole thing. So we will need to be very careful. We need to carefully head into scripts, copy, and then control V to make a new one. And this is gonna be so risky, but we wanna do face, please work. Control C. Control V. Control V. Okay, so far it's going kinda good. Oh my gosh, I think we made it. File, save. We just did it. I just scripted my first ever script. I just scripted my first ever thing. I just scripted my first ever script. That is actually so nice. That is actually so nice. Let's go. Actually, script out first thing. Well, this is not it yet. We also have to do that, and we'll also have to do change face cosmetic for this one. Oh yeah, I forgot. We gotta go back to resources, Photon VR, player, and yeah, that was. So we also gotta control C, control V. Let's go. So these are the owner glasses. And now we will actually need to go to. We'll need to go back, pipe, and this is basically our moderator cosmetic. So I will not be doing a kick hammer in this game because I already have one. Or I don't have one, but I already have the kick button on the leaderboard. So yeah, pipes, and we'll do it in Left Hand Cosmetics. Also gonna change this place to Face Cosmetics. And then we got this pipe already. So yeah, I just wanna do Control C. And I will be watching a ow, why is my neck hurting? Ow, that actually hurt. Now we'll just have to go, just to make our life easier, I'll do this one. Just to make our life easier. Control C. Okay, Diddy. So, Control V. And yes, sir. Now we just have to scale this thing down. What the Diddy? Yes, sir. There we go. And now we just gotta head into this thing. How to add mod cosmetics to Good Old Tech Fucking. I kinda know how to do this.
This owner badge.
My work is easy because I use
Oh
ClickUp.
my god.
Here's how I keep track of all my tasks. I start by brain dumping everything.
Legacy, you need to create a new catalog. Make sure it's the legacy catalog, not the updated one. And then for a catalog version, just name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it items. It doesn't really matter. You can name it mod items, but name it something really generic like items, and then click save catalog. Make sure not to delete this, it's important. Then just click new item, and you'll be on this page. Now, as an example, I'm just gonna make an owner badge or something. So item ID, just call it owner badge.
Yo, somebody says something again. Alright. So
Copy that,
economy.
put it in item class and display name, and make sure you don't change anything else. So the only things that should be filled out is item ID, item class, and display name, and they should all be the same. Just owner badge or whatever you want to name it. Then click save item, and there we go. Now we have the owner badge here. Now you want to go back into your project, and you want to actually make the cosmetic. So pretty much how this is going to work in special items, you're going to drag in a thing here. So what you need to do, you need anything else. So the only things that should be filled out is item ID, item class, and display name, and they should all be the same. Just owner badge or whatever you want to name it. Then click save item, and there we go. Now we have the owner badge here. Now you want to go back into your project, and you want to actually make the cosmetic. So pretty much how this is going to work in special items, you're going to drag in a thing here. So what you need to do, you need to make an enable and disable thing for the cosmetic. So I'm just going to borrow this from what I previously did. If you haven't followed my Photon VR cosmetic tutorial, you should probably watch that. Or if you have your own cosmetics here, just name that body. And then just click this save up here, and you can X out of that. I'm not going to put that description in the description because it's pretty basic. Now you have a change box description along with a cosmetic tutorial. And then here you need to make a cosmetic if you don't already have one. I'm just going to, quickly make one. Make sure to position the owner badge wherever you want it to be, or whatever cosmetic. It doesn't need to be specific for me. I'm just gonna put it there for now. It doesn't really matter. And then like any other cosmetic, disable it in here, and then go out of here. And the enable and disable will do the owner badge. Make sure it's the same name. Now to sync everything up, go back to your PlayFab Manager game object here, and in special items, drag in this owner badge here. There we go. And this owner badge thing, just disable it. So pretty much if you're a normal person, it won't show up. But if you're the owner, then it will show up and you can wear it and stuff, and it will all be networked. And now to actually give the player the item, go back to your PlayFab, go to player, drag in this owner badge here. There we go. And this owner badge thing just dispatch wherever you want it to be, or whatever cosmetic. It doesn't need to be specific for me. I'm just gonna put it there for now. It doesn't really matter. And then like any other cosmetic, disable it in here and then go out of here. And the enable and disable will do the owner badge. Make sure it's the same name. Now to sync everything up, go back to your PlayFab Manager game object here, and in special items, drag in this owner badge here. There we go. And this owner badge thing, just disable it. So pretty much if you're a normal person, it won't show up, but if you're the owner, then it will show up and you can wear it and stuff, and it will all be networked. And now to actually give the player the item, go back to your PlayFab, go to players, click search, go to your PlayFab ID, and then go to where it says inventory legacy, and then here it says from catalog. Just click this, make sure it's your catalog, and then click select item. Don't do item ID, do select item, and then click on owner badge or whatever you called it, and then click grant item. Now one thing that I forgot to do, where it says catalog name here, make sure to type in your catalog name. So I typed in items because that's my catalog name. One thing that I also forgot to do, the Photon VR player prefab, I forgot to drag owner badge under body cosmetics, so make sure you do that and drag it under the right place, unlike me. Make sure to save all of this, and now we can test it out. As we can see, it's disabled right now. We load in, and owner badge is now enabled automatically, and there we go. I already clicked the enable button, and as you can see, it is enabled, and it works perfectly fine. You shouldn't get any errors with the script. Script should be perfectly fine. And yeah, next video I'll probably teach you how to do currency or something. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out so much you don't even understand. Once again, the script for this will be my Discord server, link in the description. Also, make sure you follow the Photon VR tutorial that I made, link in the description. My cosmetic tutorial will also be linked in the description of this video. Also,
Okay. SSD. So alright, that was super weird. So we're doing this shop. Okay. Ouch. Actually hurts. Daddy. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to just like, wait, I'm pretty sure we're supposed to disable it.
inventory legacy, and then gonna have a cosmetic called owner badge, and it's gonna be in body. So go to description along with a cosmetic. Now it does your game object here, and in special items, drag in this owner badge here. There we go. And this owner badge thing, just disable it. So pretty much if you're a normal person, it won't show up, but if you're the owner, then it will show up and you can wear it and stuff, and it will all be networked. And now to actually give the player the item, go back to your PlayFab, go to players, click search, go to your PlayFab ID, and then go to where it says inventory legacy, and then here it says from catalog. Just click this, make sure it's your catalog, and then click select item. Don't do item ID, do select item, and then click on owner badge or whatever you called it, and then click grant item. Now one thing that I forgot to do, where it says catalog name here, make sure to type in your catalog name. So I typed in items because that's my catalog name. One thing that I also forgot to do, the Photon VR player prefab, I forgot to drag owner badge under body cosmetics, so make sure you do that and drag it under the right place, unlike me. Make sure to save all of this, and now we can test it out. As we can see, it's disabled right now. We load in, and owner badge is now enabled automatically, and there we go. I already clicked the enable button, and as you can see, it is enabled, and it works perfectly fine. You shouldn't get any errors with the script. Script should be perfectly fine. And yeah, next video I'll probably teach you how to do currency or something. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps.
So what are we supposed to do now? So I kinda if I go into my play fab manager, let me close this off. Then I do pipes. And then I do that. Pipe mod cosmetic. Bam. There we freaking go. Yo, what's up, Saccharine Place? What's up? Alright, so I feel like the only up is kind of empty. So we're just gonna expand with these trees. We're just gonna make like a small or a tall like thingy here. So yeah, the rest of the trees can stay down here. I don't need more trees. Cool? Yeah, for real. Alright, that's it. We got 4 people watching. Hello there, everyone. So far, bam. Right, can I have to fix this thing? Cause it's like just kind of weird. So wait. Also, pipe mod cosmetic. We are doing these ones. Doing these ones. And yeah, that's stone right there. Now for stuff classes, we'll just enable that. When I do stone, there we go. Okay, so what other cosmetics do I have in the game currently? Or like coming, whatever. So right now we got scripts. And we'll do cosmetics. We have Fortress Beanie. We already have that one in the game. We already have Poophead in the game. We'll do in here. We got Top Hat. We already have that in the actual game, but not like, yeah, whatever. I don't know what it is. We got Happy Cheeks. Ayo, pause. I also got this sword in the head cosmetic. I'll actually add that, cause that's a pretty cool one. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna add a monster as a fate. Wait, I'm gonna add this guy's head as a face cosmetic. And I'll do sword in the head. I'll do angel hat. You know what that means. It's kind of hard to explain what it is, but it is what it is. And now we are going to get. So where is the monster now? What? Oh my gosh! That was actually kind of big. That was very, very big. Delete. Ignore the fact that I added the sword in the head cosmetic to this thing. That is crazy. Delete, and we'll just do that for now. Yeah, this does not look scary at all. We'll add some, I'm not gonna, scary eyes. Okay, we're adding this one. This one is going into those game files. This one is literally going into those game files. But first, we're gonna add materials. Scary eyes and then scary eyes, but ignore that. Oh, Alright, that actually looks kind of creepy with the eyes. What the frick? Alright, so now we will just add it to. Oh my gosh, it literally has an eye in the back. Bro, this guy is not missing anything with those eyes. They're literally missing nothing. Not a single flippin' moment of their lives. Monster face. Yeah. And so hopefully the cool script actually works to this thing. Because if it doesn't, this cosmetic will literally not even work. Just gonna be sad because this is like kind of a cool cosmetic. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Look at this thing. Imagine being in a lobby and you seeing this randomly. Just gotta tilt this up a little bit. Like, damn. Who's texting me right now? Yay! It's named Nisak Sigma. Alright. So this is my other fan game. What? Actual. Oh my! Why is this so big? What did this guy add? Okay. What? It's like 3 times. It's literally like 4 times bigger than. No. It's like 3 times bigger than this game. It's. Oh my gosh. How? Just how? Like, what? The actual Skibidi toilet? And I'm not joking when I'm saying Skibidi toilet. This is actually a very Skibidi toilet. Alright, so there we have that cosmetic. That's very creepy. Resources, Photon VR. Now we have this thing, which is actually so fire. It's literally fire. Do 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 dun do dun do dun do dun do dun do dun. Do 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 dun do dun do dun do dun do dun do dun. Alright, so this is how the cosmetic looks. That is so sick. My kind of looks like a banana, not gonna lie. So what did this guy add? Yeah, he gotta add something real big. He gotta add something real big. No, pause. I didn't mean it like that. We'll do head cosmetics. Super Sigma wrist. First, we'll add the monster face because it's the coolest. Control C. Now we'll just do that. And bam. And we'll just do the phones. Bam. We already like kind of have Control C, Control V. Bam. Oh wait, I put that as a face. Oh yeah, so that means that we'll have to do face. Script. Bam, bam. We'll do change face cosmetic. Didn't even get added, but okay. Change face cosmetic. There we go. And now here we just want to do Control V. Monster face. Alright. That is very, very cool. And now we will actually just do that. Control C, Control V. Just one more time. And we'll also expand this. We'll move this. And bam. So yeah, here, all we gotta do is just go into resources, Photon VR, Angel Hat, Control C, bam. And then here we just gotta do Control V. Alright, so we have a bunch of cosmetics now. We just have to do, oh no, this is gonna be so annoying. It's gonna be so annoying, like, oh my gosh. It's already so annoying. And now we just go to materials, scary niece. First, hello, we love dogs. Hello there. Oh, we gotta remove. Bam. There we go. Oh my butt cheeks, this is looking scary. Alright, that should probably be it. Just move it down. That was probably too far down. And this is too big, isn't it? Yeah, it's literally so big. Pause. Hello, we love dog. Also, chat, do you guys have any ideas on cosmetics? Cause I literally have no brain. I'm brain dead. You guys have any resources? Photon VR. We added monster, that thing, and then we also added sword in the head. Yeah, I forgot about that part. Kabam. Bam, and bam. One thing I also forgot about this one, so we forgot to add cool area. And where's the pixel glasses? yeah, alright. Cool. Oh, this is another one. Cool eye block. And then just change this to 9. I'm just gonna go in here just if somebody like downloaded it. Have that. Bro, he already has that. That's so Sigma. Alright, well, we're adding this cosmetic now. Oh yes. Oh yes. What's oh no, please. Now we're going into materials. Red. Oh my gosh. Alright, that was so weird. Why did I say that? Delete. Now we'll just add it as a head cosmetic. And eye black, cool. Set that as 9. Bam. There we go. This game is actually having a fire. It's actually on fire now. Just click on save. And now we have to do bam. C, Control V. Okay, so this is actually turning into a pretty good shop, but technically it's not a shop, it's just like cosmetics and stuff like that. So yeah. Also, where should I add? Should I add the content creator headsets? Because I don't really know where I'm gonna add them. But first, of course, we have to do. Yeah, we have to go into. Let's go into resources, Photon VR player. Sword in the head. Also, we gotta make our main monkey a little bit bigger. Oh yeah, this is every single part, right? Bam. Yeah, we just moved every single part. So, Control C. And we also have to make this one bigger. Wanna know why we have to do everything bigger? Because the player model is so broken, because you get long arms as soon as you join into the game, which is very, very weird. And yeah, we're trying to fix it. Oh yeah, I forgot about the part that I am adding. Control V. So I'm gonna add more holdable cosmetics, but I don't know what to add. What if we add a holdable poop? Hear me out. Holdable poop might be weird, but I can only put it in people's face and they get mad. We are adding a holdable poop, alright? We're adding this poop. So this all left? No, this is the right. Let's go. I love the right cosmetics. Is this? Yes, it's right cosmetic. Okay. So, now we'll do something painful. What? Why did I just turn my project upside down? Alright, so this is so pain in the butt. But it will turn out good, I guess. Please work, please. Alright, this is looking good. Why is my brother crashing out right now? Okay, why is it kind of looking like it's going into the wall? That's actually kind of cool. Yeah. I haven't checked the live chat in a while now. Okay, so... Whew, now, I guess we can just, like, expand the map. Or, like, the only up map. But I kind of want to add another map. I don't know what to add as another map. Also, we gotta delete the text right here. Because we're adding new text, first of all. And second of all, just getting so skibbity. Control C, Control V. Give me that text. Yes, sir. Yo, link doesn't work. Okay. Copy. Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Are you sure that the game is... Alright, there we go. The link should be working now. Ouch. Oh. Alright. Yeah. I don't know what else to add. Should I maybe add like... Should probably expand only up. Not gonna lie. Shit, why did I go so far? Alright, so I don't know. We could add some crates. Yeah, let's add crates. We just need one single crate. And that's going straight up to the... For now, we'll just put it there. Spawn, forest, shop. And the only up, wherever it is. Where's the only up map? Oh, there it is. Only up map. Kabam! Alright, one single crate. Why did it go so far? Literally went so far away. But wait, if I fall, you know that we're so cooked, right? If we fall, literally, we will need to restart our game. Yeah, I didn't think about that part. I did not think about that. Did not even think about that part, even close in my head. So that's stupid. That's very stupid, actually. Of me. What the actual skibbity? Yeah, so far this is the only up. So right now I'm just trying to fix some glitches. Just like weird looking stuff. I can't wait to show my friends my fan game. I just can't wait to show them it. But the only thing I don't like about the summer break is the fact that I can't meet my friends as often. That's the only thing I don't like about the summer break. Like, it's all nice and all because we skip school, but like we also skip our friends with us, which is kind of sad. Cause I'm yeah. But wait, I still have friends online and all, but it's just not the same feeling. It's just like it's not the same feeling. So yeah. Um, so yeah. Is there any other like okay, so I feel like we are good on cosmetics. The only thing that's missing is fun. Like, it's just not fun. That's just it. It's just not fun. So we are adding tag.
If you have, by the way, any glitches with anything.
So let's join this guy's Discord. Oh. Wait, that's him. Oh yeah, his Discord didn't work. That is not very good. Oh. So we can't add tag. God damn. Well, that's unfortunate. I mean, like, yeah, tag. So we can't add tag. That account is logged into the server. You want to go on that account and leave the server. Alright, so I need to leave the server. Because I was having this problem and I was like reporting it.
If you have, by the way,
and you like answered and stuff. I just gotta check. I just gotta check if I am still logged into the server. Okay, so I am not logged in. Done. I still think that it doesn't work. Verify, and then what's this? What's this? Like what? What? I don't have that account, buddy. What's this? What's this? Look, right there. I just took it. Continue. What is this? Continue.
You're almost done.
What the
Click
frick?
the download in the top right to continue.
But I already have this one though. I already have this thing. The butt cheeks. Look! I don't have an account in the server. Bro, what about the other tutorials? Wait, this guy.
Let me show you guys how to use it. So, hey guys, what's up? I'm going to be showing you how to add tagging to your Gorilla Tag fan game. You can't find the script any other place. I just made it, and it finally started working. So, I'm going to show you guys how to use it. So, it's actually a lot easier than people are making it look. So here's how it works. You'll get the script from my Discord, add it onto an invisible game object. By doing that, you click add, create empty, and then you just add it to the empty object. Then you have to select your player hands to do this. You have to go into Gorilla Rig, and then so do this, your left hand controller and your right hand controller. You have to get both of them, and you have to.
Alright, whatever. Should we skip tag? Just for this time, you know. Alright, so clicking on save, and I'm gonna quit working on this fan game for today. Just for today, you know. So I'm just gonna go get some water. Okay, Goofy Goobers, I'm back, you skibbity toodlers. That was so weird. Okay, guys, I'm gonna see if this works. No. Now it should work. Do tak tak do. Oh, there we go. Alright, now it should work.
I am.
My soundboard works. My sound